Here at St. Anne's, we're pleased to have the new XI system from Da Vinci Surgical. And what this means for our general surgery patients is I'm able to do more advanced hernia repairs with the XI system because of the instrumentation that has more motion than the human hand and wrist, and allows me to get into places that you cannot do or get into laparoscopically. And this benefits the patient with small incisions versus very large abdominal incisions. It negates hospitalizations and they can go home right after surgery, and the recovery at home is much quicker than with open hernia repair. In addition, conversion rates for hernia surgery are cut in half from double digits to single digits. When you do open large abdominal hernia repairs, patients are recovering from 4 to 6 weeks. When I'm able to accomplish it robotically using the XI system, they return to normal activities by 2 weeks. The XI robot allows less tissue manipulation and smaller incisions, and this translates into significantly less pain medication after surgery. In fact, half my patients say they take one pain pill after surgery. Most of them say I got by with Motrin.